Hello friends, today we shall discuss about how siphon works. For that we have taken water in this container or we have taken water you see in the measuring cylinder, and I have taken another mug, and I will show you how siphon works. If I put a pipe from here to here, does it work? No, it will not work. Right? Why? How does siphon works? That you have to know. When I put this pipe here, the water is not coming to this mug. Right? What we have to find, that we have to make position in such a way that the difference of liquid pressure at the two ends, there should be a difference of liquid pressure at this end and this end. If there is a difference between pressures at the two ends of the pipe, only then it will flow, right? The water will not come in this position, right? Now if we take water in this pipe and make a difference at the two ends, pressure difference at the two ends, then there will be a flow of liquid from this container to this container, right? Let us see how it works. Now see this pipe. We have taken water in the pipe to make a difference of liquid pressure at the two ends, at this end and this end. If there is a difference of pressure at the two ends, then there will be a right. If we have taken water in the pipe, and if you try to make a difference at the two ends of this pipe, there is a liquid pressure difference at the two ends of the pipe, then there will be a flow of water from one container to other. Let us see how it works. First of all, let us put this pipe in this beaker. And if we try to make a difference pressure at the two ends, then there will be flow of water. You see here. See? Because we are making a difference of pressure at the two ends of the pipe, right? Then it is flowing, right? In this way it works. You see here. In this way the siphon works, right? Let us try again. Let us try again. We have taken again water in this pipe and try to make a difference of pressure at the two ends, and let's see it is working or not. Here you see, if we make a difference of pressure, then the water is flowing. Thus, how it works? That means we are creating a pressure difference between the two ends of the pipe, and thus it works, or the siphon is working. In this way, siphon works. That means we are creating a difference of pressure at the two ends of this pipe, difference of liquid pressure at the two ends of this pipe, and that's why it works, right? and this is the principle of siphon, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.